Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna lesson. Sige, sit down ka na.
Lesson.
Sit down ka, sit down. Sit down.
This
This
is
eyeglass
my
na, oh.
toy.
Oh, eyeglass mo na, oh.
And this is my eyeglass. YouTube.
Sige. Sabi ni teacher.
30.
Oh, wait lang. Sabi teacher yung answeran mo, ha? Sige. Go. Sabi ni teacher, trace and color each oval using green crayon. Green crayon. Hanapin mo yung green na crayon mo. Hindi yan green, anak. Black yan. Sige na.
Color?
Green color daw.
Evil color?
Oh, and then, you trace these broken lines. Trace mo muna, anak, bago mo. You trace muna, trace. And then, new color.
No, evil color.
Hindi, green lang. Green lang daw, sabi ni teacher.
Then evil color?
Hindi nga, green lang.
There's an evil like rainbow.
Sa susunod yon kasi ang lesson natin for today is green crayon. At oval. Yan. And then, lahat na, i-trace mo, anak. Yan. Green crayon lang, anak ko. Careful naman daw, ah. Oh, small oblong. Small oblong. Very good. Wow. Oh, another one. Last one. Okay, and then you color all the oval. Hindi, green lang. Use green crayon lang, green crayon. Sa susunod na yan, ha? Sige na. Tignan mo pa ako. Oh, sige, go! Green crayon na. Galing! Ganyan, pangit yan. Uy, galing-galing naman, oh. Wow. Good job naman. Oh, careful, nalampas na. Oh, go.
It's all with mommy.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, done. Go.
I have wet.
Sige, go.
Wet.
Oh, sige na, wag dyan, dito sa paper may crayon. Meron pa, anak, oh. Oh, careful, Huwag lalampas sa lines,
Lines?
Huwag lalampas dito, oh.
Wet.
Konti na lang, anak ko, konti na lang.
Wet.
Wait na. Go. I-hold the crayon, nang mabuti. Hold crayon mabuti para hindi away yung hands. Okay, color mo ulit mamaya, ha?
Okay.
Okay po. Ang ganyan, anak, masisira. Okay, later ulit kulahin mo yung mga ibang kon, ah. Opo.
Opo.
Oh, sige. Ano ulit tong shape na to?
Mommy.
Wait, kung ganyan, masira. Ano ulit yung shape na to? Oh, sige na, oh. Ano ulit yung shape na to?
Oblong.
You see, ah. This is oval.
Oval.
It has the shape of an,
And
like an egg, di ba?
yeah, and the
Egg.
egg.
Oh. It has no sides. Kasi, ayan o. Huh? Nagka-curve siya. It has no corners.
With the wooden book, it cracked the egg.
Yes.
With lapis with the egg would crack it, the baby. Cute little turtle.
What? Oh. Bye!
Bye.
Pakita mo yung ginawa. Pakita, wag mo na ito. Oh. Pakita mo.
Enjoy your channel.
Ano?
Try your channel.
Subscribe.
Try channel.
Wag mo i-kiss. Dirty yan. Isa.